Horsepower Hobby.
Welcome back to Horsepower Hobby. In today's video, we're going to replace the 05 Cummins air dam because we can't drive it like that, and I'm really wanting to drive it. So let's get to it.
So what we have to do first is just pull this one off.
I've actually ordered the new piece. We just need to go pick it up. So let's get to it. Check out the damage, guys. See, it's separated here, so there's really no fixing that. If that would have stayed one solid piece, we probably could have just tapped the screw in, one of the self-tapping screws or something of that sort, and actually repaired this air dam, but there's no repairing that, and actually it ripped the hole here as well. But pretty much done for. Though I know that's not the proper way to remove that air dam, I just did it that way because I'm in a hurry to remove it fast so that we can get to the auto parts store before they close. And then once I get the new one, I will take those same clips that I did not remove yet from this bumper and actually put into the new air dam. So let's get to the store. So we have made it to the place. Let's go inside and see if we can pick up the part.
A few moments later.
So I now have the new air dam. I'm heading back home now to install it. So had to run a few other errands, but I have finally made it home. And let's check out what we got here. So it already has the retainer clips in it. We just need to install it. So let's get started. So what I'm currently doing is removing the bolts out of the old clips that are still attached to the bumper, and then after I remove all of those, it's just 3 of them. I got 1 out so far, so just 2 more. Then I will begin to install the new air dam. So I just got all of the screws out, so now I'm about to install this air dam. So it's starting to get a little dark on me, but I'm going to continue because I just have to put the 3 screws in now. I have the air dam attached to the bottom of the bumper, but just need to put the screws in so that it'll be secure. So I originally swapped the air dam out when I swapped out the front end parts when the truck was totaled out and brought to me. Show you guys a picture of what it looked like before. So now that you see the damage beforehand, before I actually rebuilt this 05 Cummins, you can see how bad it was. But once again, it didn't have any frame damage. And so we ended up putting all the front end pieces back together, and they held together pretty good. Not sure what happened to this air dam. Must have run over something, or not really sure. Maybe it just caught a little too much wind going down the interstate and just decided to split. But we got a new one on it and it looks good, and I'm sure it will perform well. So unfortunately, we're unable to proceed at this time with the 05 Cummins build as far as the engine to build more horsepower. The news is just the same as my last update video. We still only have the programmer, the intake, the cold air intake, and a few other pieces, but we do not have the injectors, which is the most important part of the build. So we're still waiting on those items to come in. All 6 injectors are still not arrived. I don't know if the company just didn't have them in stock and like special making them. I don't know what the case is there. But as soon as they come in, I will update you guys. I can't wait until they come in because I'm ready to build some power. But at least for now, the truck does look good. Doesn't have that valence or that air dam hanging and dragging all over the place, and we're able to drive it and won't be looked at as if something is wrong. If you haven't checked out my last video where I went to LS Fest and spent some time with Cletus McFarlane, Kyle from 1320, and also Jeremy from Faster Proms, check it out. I put a link to it in the description down below. Also, if you haven't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. Also, hit the push notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of the awesome content that I come out with in the future. And don't forget to like this video. Until next time.